Happy birthday, Lola Jean! We love you so much. Wishing you more years of health and happiness. Hope you enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy
Love you.
birthday, Mommy! Love you!
Hello, Mami Chin. Happy 80th birthday. Hopefully you have a good time. Enjoy.
Mommy, we missed you. Happy birthday! I wish we could attend your special celebration. We wish you talaga, Mommy. Seriously, your pochero and your kare-kare, gustong-gusto ko na ulit matikman. We love you so much. Okay, hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Love
Happy birthday
you.
again.
Love you. Bye.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola Jean.
Happy birthday, Mami Jean!
Enjoy your day. We love you.
Love you.
Birthday, Mary Jean.
Happy birthday, Marin Jess. Sa petting ka pa ng marami pang kaanawan.
Sana'y magkita pa tayo.
Magkita pa tayo.
Hi Lola Jean! Happy birthday! I hope you have an amazing day and that today you will have all your wishes come true. I love you and miss you very much. I'm in Seattle. Here's a Space Needle. Hope to see you soon. Bye, I love you.
Hello, happy birthday Lola Jean. Happy 80th birthday. I love you so much. Hope I see you soon.
Hi, Lola Jean. Happy 80th birthday. Love you so much and we miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Lola Jean. We love you. See you soon po, Lola Jean. I hope you have a good day. Have a great party. Salamat po sa lahat. Lahat ng ginawa mo nung bata kami. We miss you. See you soon po.
Oh my God.